Hey guys, this is Rolando from ReveMoto. Today we're going to be doing a 2010 Chrysler 200 front bumper replacement. So to start off, we're going to go ahead and lift the hood. We're going to move the new bumper out of the way. And we're going to start at the bottom and then work our way up to the top. So we're going to start off in the passenger side. So you can use a flathead screwdriver right here, and there's going to be a push pin on the far left side of it, and just press down on it. So you just press down on it, it should come right off. Should be like that. Okay. Then on the bottom, there's gonna be bolts, and they're gonna be a 7mm ratchet. So you just take it off like this. Should be another one right here. Same thing on this side, you're gonna have a push pin. So basically insert your flathead and then push down on it. It should come right off. So on the side of the bumper, you're gonna see the same bolts. They're gonna be a 7mm. So there's one right here. Well, this one's missing. So you have one right here. One right here. And we're gonna go to the other side and do the same thing. This one's a little stuck, so we're gonna take it off whenever we take the bumper off.
How come you didn't do that before we take the bottom ones? Is there a reason?
Yeah, so you want to start the bottom first, and you work your way up to the top. Because if you take the bottom last, the bumper might fall on you. So you want to work your way to the bottom, then to the top. So this one's stuck. It's a retaining clip over there. So when we take off the bumper, I'll show you guys how to get that unstuck. But the most important bolt is this one right here. This one holds the bracket together. So I've already pre-popped them, but basically all you do, push this down. Push this. So basically when they're down like that, you just insert your flathead right there, and you'll work your way to the side, and then you can just push it, take it off like that. Okay? Same thing with all of them. So since I already did that, I'm just going to take them off. So it looks like it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them that you need to take off on the top. So now you have these screws right here. think there's 2 of them, and it's a 10 millimeter. So this particular customer has an aftermarket grill. So she looked like it looked like they just went ahead and screwed it on there. So we're not gonna take it off. But usually when you have a regular one, it's really easy to take off anyways. So just take off this cover. So now you can go ahead and take off the front bumper. So I will start at the side and just pop it like that. And then go to the other side. And the bumper should just come right off. So the bumper absorber, the little foam piece needs to be replaced. So we'll call the customer and see if they want to replace that. But the most important thing is this part right here. So it looks like she bent the rebar. So we'll contact her right now and see if she wants to get that replaced. But make sure we mention it to her because it is going to cause her some issues later on down the line. So it's a little bit faded on the bumper, but basically if you bring out the shine, she does a car wash and also buff it out, wet sand and buff it out, the shine would be just like the brand new bumper. Alright guys, so that's how you install 2013 Chrysler 200 front bumper. If you guys like this video, go and subscribe to us. Turn on the push notification for other videos that we do have. And if you guys need any parts for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com where we sell pre-painted auto body parts.